Good morning, TDR family. This morning we are heading back again to Harlingen for another car show. We have the DPS Mustang loaded up already. Got some ice chest in there, got cameras. So we're gonna meet this morning at Love's Travel Center. We're gonna meet some other guys there at 7 o'clock. It's already 6:30. We're gonna meet the guys there. I don't know how many people are gonna show up, but we're gonna head out there and wait around there, see who shows up, and then about 7:30 we're gonna make the drive over to Harlingen, which is about from that Love's truck stop, it's about maybe I don't know, 20-minute drive. So yeah, the AACA, the Antique Automobile Car Club of America, is having a pretty big show today on Jackson Street. It's a pretty fun show. They haven't had it in about 2 years, ever since the you know what hit. So yeah, we're pretty excited. Should be a good show. Should be a big show, being that it's the first time they've had it in 2 years. So yeah, let's get in the coupe and let's go. Quick light test before we hit the road. Everything seems to be working fine. Let's go. This is the meet spot. Looks like there's already a few guys here. So, it's like some people got up earlier than I did. Gonna run in here and grab a coffee. Hopefully they have tacos or something, and then we will hit the road. We're just gonna wait around for about 30 minutes. Let's see who else shows up. There's my buddy Rocky. He's got his white coupe. We'll get some video and pictures of it here in a little while. So yeah, we're gonna run inside the store, grab a coffee real quick. All right, guys, we're rolling out. All in all, we had about 15 cars show up, so it's not bad for getting up this early. Gonna take a nice cruise, early morning cruise out to Harlingen, and see what kind of turnout we get at the show this morning. Made it to Harlingen. It's only about like I said, it's only about a 20-minute ride. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, 7:57 right now, so did really good time. Didn't even speed. We kept it about 60, 65 the whole way. So now we're gonna look for the entrance to the show. Registration is at 8. So I think we're making good time. Now we're going to look for First Street. That's what they're telling us is the entrance. This is Second. Third. So apparently it's not 3rd Street. It's always been 3rd Street. This time they said to take 1st Street in. So we're gonna go back to 1st Street. Take that entrance. This is the entrance. Morning. guys, we're done. We're out of here. It's starting to get hot. Good show, real good show. But it's noon. We're not trophy hounds, so it's time to go find somewhere to eat and then make the drive out of here. Good show. They had a real good turnout, as expected. Probably six city blocks of cars. So it was good. It was a good morning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We tried to do a walk around video for you guys, but there were so many people moving around that then they had live music playing, and they had other music playing, and YouTube was gonna get us, was gonna ding us for it. So we just decided to just do a picture video for you guys. And again, I just took some highlights, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. And that's it for now. We will see you guys on the next video. Hey, what do you know? Before we go, we actually won something. We won first runner-up in Mustang 1979 to 2004 in the AACA show today. So that was pretty cool. To be honest, we never even register our cars. We don't actually go out there looking to win anything. We just like the camaraderie of hanging out with our friends at car shows. That's kind of why we do it. But yeah, it was pretty cool. My buddy Rocky has a beautiful white coupe. He actually won best of show. So this show is kind of different. Best of show is actually first place, and then first runner-up in our case is actually second place. I'll drop a pic of Rocky's car here. There you go. So you guys can check that car out. Car's beautiful. It's a nice white coupe on chrome ponies. Real pretty car. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Again, totally unexpected. Didn't expect to win anything. Didn't go there with the intentions of winning anything. But it was pretty cool that we actually brought a little plaque home. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and hit the like button and leave a comment. It really helps a lot with the algorithm, and it helps us get more views. So thanks again. We'll see you guys on the next video.